Hello there, my name is Richard McMahon, and in this training video I will teach you how to pass an English language test. If you are required to undertake any type of English test anytime soon, make sure you stay tuned. The tips, questions and explanations I am about to give you will help you achieve the highest scores possible at the real test. And just very quickly, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. I really do appreciate your support. Now, the best way to prepare for an English language test is to carry out lots of practice test questions. I will work through some questions with you on the screen and then give you some to try yourself. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. English language test question number 1 states the following. Which word, A, B, C or D, completes the sentence? The sentence reads, we need to blank the meeting until next week due to scheduling conflicts. We have to then choose one word, A, B, C or D, to complete the sentence in the blank space. Can you see which answer it is? It certainly is not A, because we are not cancelling the meeting. It is not B, because we are not rescheduling the meeting. And it is not D, because we are certainly not dismissing the meeting. What we are doing is postponing the meeting until next week due to scheduling conflicts. If you postpone something, you are putting it off to a later date. So the correct answer is C, postpone. We need to postpone the meeting until next week due to scheduling conflicts. So now you understand how to tackle this type of common English language test question. It's time for you to try some live on the screen. Please put your answers to questions 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in the comment section below the video for marking. Thank you very much indeed. I will then come onto the video each day and mark your answers for you. Here we go. On the right hand side of the screen, you will see a green timer. I will give you 8 seconds to answer each question. Tell me your answer in the comment section below the video. Which word, A, B, C or D, completes the sentence? She has always been blank to criticism and takes it personally. Is it A, open, B, immune, C, sensitive or D, reluctant? Here is your 8-second timer. Well done. English language test question number 3 reads, which word, A, B, C or D, completes the sentence? His confidence was blank after failing the exam. Is it A, shaken, B, disturbed, C, collapsed or D, removed? Here is your 8-second timer. Please tell me your answer in the comments. Well done. English language test question number 4. Which word, A, B, C or D, completes the sentence? I would appreciate it if you could blank me a favour. A, provide. B, lend. C, give. Or D, do. What is your answer? Tell me in the comment section. Here is your 8-second timer. English language test question number 5. Which word, A, B, C or D, completes the sentence? It's important to blank good habits early in life. This is a difficult one. Let's see if you get it correct. Is it A, install, B, construct, C, develop or D, produce? Here is your 8-second timer. There is only one correct word. Which is it? And English language test question number 6, before we move on to a different type of question, which word, A, B, C or D, completes this sentence? She couldn't blank the temptation to open the envelope. Is it A, reject, B, resist, C, oppose or D, remove? Tell me your answer in the comment section. Thank you. Fantastic. Well done. Let's now move on to a harder type of English language test question. The questions will get progressively harder as we work through the video. We are going to work through some spelling type English language questions. These are harder than they look. English language test question number 7. Which word A, B, C or D is spelt incorrectly? Make sure you read the question at the real test. Read the question carefully. Which word A, B, C or D is spelt incorrectly? There is only one word that is not spelled correctly. Which one is it? Is it A, occurrence, B, environment, C, necessary, or D, guarantee? This is harder than it looks. There is only one word that is spelt incorrectly. It is environment, because environment needs another N, where the red N is, for it to be spelled correctly. So you would choose B as your answer option. So again, it is now your turn to try some more English language test questions. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. Please put your answers to questions 8, 9, 10 and 11 in the comment section for marking. Thank you very much indeed. Here we go. Question 8. Which word A, B, C or D is spelt incorrectly? Only one of them is spelt incorrectly. Which one is it? Tell me your answer in the comment section below the video. Here is your 8-second timer. These are harder than they look. These are not easy questions. Sorry, easy words to spell. English language test question number 9. Which word A, B, C or D is spelt incorrectly? There's your words. A, preferred, B, accomplished, C, beginning or D, commitment. Here is your 8-second timer. Thank you. If you are answering these within this time limit, you are making fantastic progress. English language test question 10. Which word A, B, C or D is spelt incorrectly? A, existence, B, attendance, C, possession or D, privilege. Here is your 8-second timer. Fantastic. Well done. One more. Question 11. Which word A, B, C or D is spelt incorrectly? A, February, B, separate, C, receipt or D, believe. Only one of them is spelt incorrectly. Can you see which one it is? Tell me in the comment section. Thank you. Okay, well done. Let's now move on to a different type of English language test question that comes up all the time. Insert the letter. Let me work through a sample question with you. English language test question 12. Which letter will end the first word and begin the second word in each set? So we are given 4 letter options, T, H, N and S. And we have to decide which one letter will end the first word and begin the second word in each set. Can you see which letter it is? This is harder than it looks. The correct answer is S. So if I insert the letter S where the question marks are, then I have different words. Does, stop, miss and slip. That is a hard English language test question to answer correctly. So now it's your turn to try some live on the screen. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. Please put your answers to questions 13, 14, 15 and 16 in the comment section for marking. Thank you very much indeed. English language test question 13. Which letter will end the first word and begin the second word in each set? Here's your 4 letter options. B, R, M, P. Here is your 8-second timer. Tell me the answer in the comments below the video. Brilliant. Well done. English language test question 14. Which letter will end the first word and begin the second word in each set? Is it M, W, T, or S? Here is your 8-second timer. Please try 2 more. English language test question 15. Which letter will end the first word and begin the second word in each set? Is it O, E, T, or B? Here is your 8-second timer. And try 1 more before we move on to a different type of English language test question. Which letter will end the first word and begin the second in each set? Is it M, T, V, K? Here is your 8-second timer. Fantastic, well done. You are making tremendous progress. Let's now try a different type of English language test question. This is called word creation. Test question 17. Choose 1 word from each bracket that can be combined to form a new word. We have to choose just 1 word from the first set of words and combine it with 1 word from the second set of words to create 1 new word. Now, lots of people would instantly choose table tennis, but that's incorrect because that is effectively 2 words. Other people might choose beer belly, but again, that's incorrect because that's 2 words. We are looking to combine 2 words together to create 1 word. There is only 1 answer option, and that is smart and phone to combine smartphone. That is the correct answer. So now it's your turn to try some more English language test questions. Practice makes perfect. Please put your answers to questions 18, 19, 20, and 21 in the comment section for marking. Thank you very much indeed. Question 18. Choose 1 word from each bracket that can be combined to form a new word. Steel post hot and burger sheet box. Which word is it? Tell me your answer in the comment section. Here is your 10-second timer. Great work. Try another one. Question 19. Choose 1 word from each bracket that can be combined to form a new word. Time, ball, any, and delay, wear, sheet. 10-second timer. Please tell me your answer in the comments. Well done. English language test question 20. Choose 1 word from each bracket that can be combined to form a new word. Slow, break, living, and down, room, fast. Here is your 10-second timer. Great stuff. Try another one. Question 21. Choose 1 word from each bracket that can be combined to form a new word. Sit, water, arm, and chair, down, tank. There is only 1 correct answer. Here is your timer. Well done. These are harder than they look. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click that link in the top right-hand corner of the video. Head straight through to my website, passmyinterview.com, and you can instantly access free online psychometric tests. Click that link right now, go through to my website, and you can practice lots of English language test questions and psychometric tests that will help improve your scores. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you the very best for passing your English language test. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I appreciate your support. Have a wonderful day.